Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool Maytag Jenn-Air Range Cooktop Electric Radiant Element Cartridge part #JEA8120ADBA. The Whirlpool Maytag Jenn-Air Range Cooktop Electric Radiant Element Cartridge part #JEA8120ADBA is a replacement part for electric cooktops. This cartridge is designed to replace the original part on compatible models of Whirlpool, Maytag, and Jenn-Air range cooktops. It features an 8-inch electric radiant element that provides even heat distribution and consistent cooking results. The cartridge also includes a built-in safety switch that automatically shuts off the power to the element when it reaches a certain temperature. This helps to prevent over. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a damaged or malfunctioning electric radiant element cartridge in a Whirlpool, Maytag, or Jenn-Air range cooktop. It can fix symptoms such as the element not heating up properly, the element not turning on, or the element not responding to temperature adjustments. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the range at the circuit breaker. 2. Remove the existing element cartridge by unscrewing the 2 screws that hold it in place. 3. Disconnect the wiring harness from the old element cartridge and remove it from the range. 4. Place the new element cartridge into position and secure it with the 2 screws that were removed earlier. 5. Connect the wiring harness to the new element cartridge and make sure all connections are secure. 6. Turn on the power to the range at the circuit breaker and test for proper operation of your new. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.